What is humidity? Humidity is a quantity representing the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere, or simply the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. It doesn't affect the weather as much, but it can indicate how likely it is that there will be dew, fog, or rain. The device used to measure humidity is called a hygrometer. There are two main types of hygrometer, a dry and a wet bulb hygrometer. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your own wet bulb hygrometer using materials you can find at home. Let us begin. For this DIY hygrometer model, you can use any type of box, as long as it has an appropriate length to suit your thermometer. You will also be using a room thermometer, some glue sticks, strings, electrical tape, J-cloth, and a pair of scissors. First, we are going to decide where will we place the thermometer. If you wish, you can decorate the box, but I like mine the way it is. Now that we have found the position, you can go ahead and hot glue the thermometer onto the box. Make sure it is glued properly to avoid errors. Next, we are going to cut a small portion of our J-cloth, which we will then fold to a suitable size to tuck under the end of the bulb. Make sure that the J-cloth covers the entire bulb so we can tape. Now that we have taped, our last and final step would be to poke a hole at each side of the box where you would like your hydrometer to hang. After we have poked our hole, we can cut a long piece of string and tie each end into one hole. From then, we will tie a knot inside the box so that the string can hold the box. Now that we have finished, we can now glue the lid of the box completely shut. Now I am using a spray bottle to wet the J-cloth so that the bulb can be wet. And this is our final product, our very own DIY wet hygrometer. To demonstrate, I went outside to show you how it works. By the strings, we hold and spin the hygrometer in the air for 60 seconds. And what we do after, we read the temperature and it tells us how dry the air is depending on how big of a difference between the reading of the wet and dry bulb.